In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a view in Airtable. This is a useful feature when you want to maintain a certain setup within your database, ensuring that no accidental changes can alter your carefully crafted view. Locking a view can be particularly helpful when you're sharing your database with a team, and it's crucial to keep certain data displays consistent among all users. The first step is to open your Airtable base. This is where all your tables, views, and data are stored. Make sure you're logged into your Airtable account and navigate to the appropriate base that contains the data you want to protect. Once you're inside your base, you'll see a list of tables at the top of the interface. You'll need to select the table that contains the view you're interested in locking. This step is important as each table can have multiple views, and it's essential to choose the one that needs to be locked. Now, after selecting the table, look for the view you want to lock and open it. In Airtable, views allow you to display your data in different formats like grid or Kanban. By locking a view, you're freezing this layout, ensuring that the filters, sorting, and fields shown are preserved as is. Once your desired view is open, direct your attention to the view name at the top. Clicking on this name or the small drop-down arrow located next to it will reveal several options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Lock View option. This is the command that will enable you to lock the arrangement of your data. It's a straightforward action, but it's powerful in preventing unintentional modifications to your view setup. Airtable may prompt you to confirm your decision, especially if the locking action can potentially affect other collaborators. If you see a prompt, simply confirm the action. This step acts as a final safeguard to ensure that you, indeed, wish to proceed with locking the view. And there you have it. Your view is now locked. This means you've successfully secured your view's configuration exactly as it is, and any attempted changes will be prevented until you decide to unlock it. Locking views not only helps in protecting your data structure, but also provides peace of mind knowing that your team will see the data exactly as you've intended. Feel free to explore more about managing views and other advanced features in Airtable as you get more familiar with what it can do for your workflow. Remember, should you need to modify the view in the future, simply go back into the same drop-down menu and select the option to unlock the view. This flexibility allows you to balance between control and adaptability, depending on your database needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Airtable.